Morning, Johnny. Good morning, user. We'll be back at 9:30. We'll be right here. Giving it a few minutes, guys, and we're gonna get started and go over our list. Morning, Bradley. So much for my rose, Bradley. I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. Morning, Shelly. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Excuse me. In there. SG, good morning. Happy Thursday. What we said Thursday, thriving Thursday. Good morning, good morning. Thank you guys so much for coming in. Let's rock and roll. See what we rocking with today. I'm very well. Thank you very much for asking. Today's okay. We have possibility today. Today airplane day. We're not taking buses today. We're taking flights. I don't know if we got an airplane, but could definitely probably catch a bus today. Good morning, Esco wife. Happy Thursday. Thank you so much for coming in. Caught that worm, early bird. Caught your worm. Let's go. Congratulations, let's go. That is definitely one of them on my list. I was just looking at it. It's 350 right now. $3.50 right now. So there's definitely one on the list right here. But I'm gonna go through everything. So the green worm. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Give it another 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go over our list and see what exactly we're looking at for today. We already got some people out here that secured their bag this morning. Good morning, Todd. I'm about to go over the list in just a second. Oh, you mean like airplane stocks are moving? Oh, some of them are, yeah. And I have a few mining stocks. I believe what is it? FAXX is renewable energy moving. Just giving a few minutes, and then we're gonna go over the list. ARI, yeah, I have news flag for ARI. AIRI. I have it here. All right, we're about to go over our daily watch list in another minute or two. If you guys are able to hit that share button for me now, while we're waiting for a few people to get in and for us to kind of get started. Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, happy Thursday. I was gonna say Tuesday. I'm so sorry. Happy Thursday, guys. Thank you so much for coming in on this good Thursday. I hope today is a good day and we all go green. Johnny, thank you so much for that like button. Food, I'm sorry. We're hitting that share button. Food, thank you so much for hitting that share button. I greatly appreciate it. Good morning, Lawson. If you guys are able to hit that share button, it definitely helps out a lot. Get some more people in here, get some people involved in the market. But let's get started. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's go ahead and get started for our day and see what exactly are we looking at. And what are we rocking with? What are we rolling with to move essentially for today? All right, so boom, BTCM. BTCM Lawson, thank you so much for sharing the live. I greatly appreciate it. Good morning, Jeremy. BTCM is a mining company, and they're looking to partner with Solana. It's a blockchain that processes it. A blockchain that apparently has great processing. Process like 65,000 transactions in a matter of seconds per second, I should say. So they're trying to shift to that. So that's why they got their big pop this morning for BTCM. That is. Okay. Um, CGTX. You're in CGTX, yeah. CGTX has a phase two for a meeting. They had a phase two meeting with FDA about an Alzheimer's disease, right? So I'm gonna give you guys my breakdown behind. No, you're good, Jeremy. I'm gonna give you guys my breakdown with CGTX, right? I like CGTX personally, right? But I just have a little question. I'm just questioning a little bit about them, right? So I like that they had a phase two meeting with FDA about Alzheimer's, right? Alzheimer's is a big thing. Alzheimer's, dementia, all that stuff, big thing, right? If you could resolve it or help with it, you're definitely aiding the community, right? It's a daily pill that would assist with Alzheimer's and dementia, right? Their meeting assumingly discussed the study that they had, which was a human trial study of 153 patients, and they did a double placebo effect, right? So great. That means they try to, make sure that the data was obscured and all of that. But I haven't seen anything that showed the actual results of the actual, it doesn't say that they have positive results. It doesn't say that I'm assuming the results is good. I don't know if the results is great, if that makes sense. So I tried to look to see if I wasn't able to find anything that there was positive results, or, the results, did great, or, 70 patients show 20% improvement in Alzheimer or anything of that sort. But they did have a good patient size. They did do a double placebo effect, which kind of removes, the data being skewed or anything like that. But that's my only concern with it. Like, I haven't seen the actual report or actual results on the data. But is it good news? Yes. Is it something that I'll definitely be looking at? Yeah. It's a low price stock, solid news. I just prefer to have seen what exactly the results were, given back. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Annie. If that makes any sense at all. All right. I'm going to only change the top ones. Get back for your second day. Good morning, pretty. I'm only going to change the top screen, so we're going to keep the bottom where it's at, just so we can continue and follow through. STKH signed a binding investment and a loan agreement to acquire Twin Solutions. It's another company that does like yarn, like they dye yarn and stuff like that, right? Not too crazy there. We did GA. Well, okay. On to this one. No news on it lately, but a few weeks ago they announced a successful trial for AI powered monetization, something with that one. So not too crazy there. Nice low price stock. AIRI. Sorry, guys. AIRI, right? Ooh, look at hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. AIRI, but yeah, look at CGTX right at the bottom, right when we finish talking about it. I think it's gonna try to go for $1 here. I like the stock, but I explain my concern about it. That's all. But I like it. I think it has good news. With Alzheimer's is rocking. AIRI is Air Industry Group, a $5.4 million contract for landing gear for components for the U.S. Air Force. So that's a pretty good contract. $5.4 million, I believe it is. Excuse me, $5.4 million, I believe their contract size is. So that's why they got their pop here. It needs a little volume, but we'll see where it'll go. MP rare magnet with the Pentagon for, and they're supposed to be investing like multi billion dollars. Um but I believe the investment's supposed to be dual towards like the whole thing starts to happen in 2028, if I'm not mistaken. But that's what they got their pop from this morning. No news on this one. Quick pop, and it's kind of selling itself down. IGC, kind of selling itself down. Good morning, Star. Good morning. I don't know if it's Stormy's in here, but NCNA had a quick pop yesterday. And it's trying to get itself together. That's Stormy's little friend stock right here. KLTO, we played KLTO a few times. KLTO is the one that had if you guys remember, they said that they can basically rejuvenate your organs, your liver, and stuff like that, to help with lifespan, I should say. But today they received an orphan drug from the FDA to help with ALS candidates, essentially. It's definitely going for $1. CPOP, they just have a private placement that raised $30 million. Lacking volume, nothing too crazy there. I think we got better stocks to look at right now. DALN, they are going to be acquired by another company at $14 a share. That's why you got this pop here that it went straight to that, right around that $14 mark for it. And I don't assume that it's going to do anything really past that. SAFX, I think Esco Wife already went and nailed this one down for today. But they plan to invest in renewable energy. They're going to invest $1 million in renewable energy in fuel production by 2028 to produce facilities, for the production of facilities. So that's why they got their nice solid pop from. Definitely one we will be looking at today. Our little friend PROK is trying to hold on today and kind of keep itself together. It's lacking volume, but it's definitely trying to hold on so we can see what it's going to do once the market opens. Our little friend Jacob is still here trying to hang around, so we'll see what it does when the market opens. Same thing with VOR. We'll see what it does when the market opens. I don't know that this one's going to do much. It's really spotty today, probably more spottier than it was yesterday. GAME, same thing, our little friend from yesterday. MBIO, same thing. MBIO, nothing above 350. Not interested in it for real, but just want to see what they do when the market open. SUGP was our friend yesterday. SUGP is above this $1.30 line. So once the market open, I want to see if SUGP is going to catch itself there and see where it goes from here. That is mainly our list for today. Let me put SA. Okay. SAFX. Yeah, SAFX is pretty solid. It's moving pretty good too. I'm gonna give it a little bit, probably size it up right before market opens. See what we're looking at. Might go in for another squeeze. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. We going green today. We not playing. We going green today. Here. Thursday. I know how Fridays come out sometimes. Or good morning. Thank you for coming in. I check it out for you. See, this one touched that $1 mark and got rejected immediately at that resistance line. Probably a quick bounce around 85 cents on CGTX. What'd you ask me to look at? You're not messing with Friday. Listen, I don't want all of you guys to not be Friday traders now. OSUR is very spotty. It's lacking volume. And launching a blood collection device. Not bad. For research. I don't know that it'll move. I don't know that the news would necessarily move it or bring volume into it. It's very spotty. I mean, a blood collection for research. I'm not sure what they're researching for, or anything like that. It really just says that they have a blood collection, for research. But nothing too much in it. Usher, good morning. Usher, I missed you. I haven't seen you in a while. You haven't been in here, bootstrap, seatbelt going. I hope you're doing well. Another vampire stuff. So that's what I would say about that one, Aura. Hopefully that helps you. Today is definitely going to be better. We're hoping that today's going to be better for all those that didn't have a good day yesterday. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are all having an amazing morning. Happy Thursday. We calling it Thriving Thursday. I hope that we all are going to thrive today and be profitable. If you're just coming in, good morning. My name is Jenny. I go by the Financial Doctor. I'm here every morning, creating a space where we come in, we have conversation, we talk about stocks, we talk about investing and all those good things. Catch good vibes and essentially be profitable together. The whole point is to, good morning, Derek. Thank you for coming back. The whole point is for us to be able to learn and earn. So I hope you guys are able to learn as you go through it and stay in this live and earn some money at some point. For those that's interested, I do have an e-course that's available if you're interested in learning about the market, learning about trading, learning about my trading style. Then you can go in my bio, you'll see a section that says e-course, and then I just think I loaded, and you'll be able to go ahead and do the e-course. Just know once you join the e-course, it would also give you access to a community space, um, in the duration of the time that you have access to the e-course. So feel free to check that out. CGXT, breaking a dollar. And come back down to the 85 cents mark, friend. Okay, yeah, give me a second. Good morning, 11. Happy Thursday. Welcome back. Good morning. Good morning. Give me 1 second, guys. Try to look at this thing with two eyes real quick. North Bay, what's going on? North Bay, you're looking at two different stocks here. So I trade basic stocks, looking for support and resistance levels and kind of go in and look for a quick profit on it. So right now, you're just looking at two basic stocks. Right now, you're looking at volume candles essentially. So you're just seeing the waves of the stocks or the waves of volume, um, going through the stock, essentially. I don't do options, forex, futures, or any of that fancy stuff. It's really just stock trading, buying in and buying out. Johnny's not going to let you. I'll let you. I'm sorry. I'll let you put it, but it's not going to execute it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to look at this thing here real good. Perfect coin. Good morning. Girl. Yeah, I think a few of them played. What is it? SAFX so far. And I think there's some in CGTX so far. I like CGTX. I want to see if I can get in on CGTX. My only concern is I wasn't able to find the real results on their phase two data. But I'm assuming somewhere, somehow, somebody knows good. I don't know. But I like their basis of their names with the Alzheimer's thing. Oh, she's in CGTX also. CGTX give a nice pullback. I'll rock with it. But this 90, 92-ish, 93-ish area hold as a exposed area of support. Crack of it, you'll see a little 80s touch. Mid to low 80s touch. Here. Yeah, BCTM is on my list also. Got into early. About to try to size up SAFX. Yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback. I know I always need a pullback. I like the stock. I let the stock do what it's supposed to do, but I need the stock to come back and pick me up. Almost like, oh man, we forgot you. I need the stock to do that for me. BMNR. I didn't even look at them today. Check them out. But BMNR had the news about what's like 200 million. Oh my god. It was rocking 100 and excuse me, they were rocking 130 something dollars maybe 2 days ago, a day and a half ago or something. They closed the deal, but they must have put a price point when they closed the deal. They probably put a price point when they closed the deal. They said they closed the deal yesterday, but let me see. Time is at 9 o'clock. Give me a second. I'm trying to read this real quick. Good morning, Savage. Thank you for coming in. Happy Thursday. BTCM is on our list too. The word down. Good morning, Dave. No, BMNR closed their 250. So remember, they were initially doing what is it, a Bitcoin or a Bit Treasury, one of those mining things, for $250 million. That was the deal that they were trying to close. So essentially, the deal closed yesterday, but right after the deal closed, they took a big dive. I'm assuming that when they closed the deal, there had to be a price point initiated somewhere throughout the deal. I didn't find it, but I don't know what exactly is going on with it. But that's why I would think that they took that big dive. Just off of me trying to piece pieces together. But yeah, they took a big dive. Let's shift our focus back to where we can make. CGTX, yeah, we all looking at that one too. All right, let me look at my little friend here. Hold on. DALN, I have it here, but I didn't think too much of it. I think DALN got a quick. DALN, they're being bought at $14, so they're not gonna go anywhere past $14. So that's probably why you saw them go to. I think they got to like 13.50 or something like that. I believe they're being bought at $14 per share or something like that. There's a $14 price point inserted in there. So I don't believe that they're gonna do much past that. So unless you got in at the bottom, I think they're kind of like where they're supposed to be. Um, Good morning, the counselor. I'm trying to see you come. Morning. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing good. For the $5 price point, I have no idea. I didn't look at it in that much detail, to be honest with you. I just looked at it, read the news, and I sectioned it in my mind, and not too important for me for today, if I'm being honest. To compartmentalize these things, but I can look at it in a few minutes. Just remind me if I forget. All right, SAFX is doing a little pullback here. NTHI. Give me a second. I'll take a look at it. Good morning, Jerry. Thank you so much for coming in. Happy Thursday. Um, yeah, I have it on my top screen here. But you guys can't see it, Johnny. But I have it here holding 411. NTHI got a $50 million board approval for a partnership. They got a quick pop. It looked like they're trying to give it all back. I got to add it and see what it does. Good morning, Cactus. VR, get your money back yesterday. Let's go. Right now, SAFX got my attention. CGTX has my attention. I want to see how AIRI is gonna kind of balance itself out. I do have BCTM also over here. And then I'm gonna look at, of course, some of our friends from yesterday and see what exactly they're gonna do. On KLOT, if it picks up some volume, it'll look decent, but it's lacking volume. But it's really trying to hold itself together over there. Just so you guys know, but that's what I'm kind of looking at for now. Give me a few minutes. I'm gonna go over the list before the market opens up in about 10 minutes, and then we'll be rocking and rolling from there. Market report for today. Dow is down 68 points. S&P is down 4 points. NAS is down 1. Crazy. Could have been red, purple, green. We still looking to make money. They're getting needy. My old friends are getting needy. You know, I just keep them on my list. I glance at them every now and then. If they're moving, then we rock with it. That's all that it is to it. I like old friends. I like old friends. They be rocking with us, right? PTX. You trying to hold that 95 strong, huh? I ain't mad at you. When that 92 ish, let's say 93. You trying to hold that strong, huh? One ten is holding this thing up as top resistance. With CGX. GTX 52 weeks high is $2.54. Lack of volume is barely moving. Got 164 right now. KLOT. So nobody buying in, nobody buying out. So you see it's like very weak candles when you're looking at it. PROK trying to hold itself together. I have it here somewhere, I believe. Honestly. PROK. Trying to hold itself together. But we'll see what it's gonna do. It doesn't have my attention right now, but it's trying to hold itself together. I'm going on with it for real. I rejected at 110 again. You got a little line here. What is that? Yeah. Ta-da. 340 is holding strong for SAFX, which is decent. About to go over our list in a second. Again, 9:15. I'm about to go over our list in just a second to kind of get us started or get us set up for today again. And your girl's gonna go grab her coffee. If we can, help me out and hit that share button a few times for me, and then we'll go ahead and go over our list. Perfect timing to hit the share button, guys. On the bottom right hand corner, hit the little arrow. Get some people in here for me. Let's educate some people about the market. Let them learn, guys. The more people that's involved, the more people that knows, the better it is for everybody. They're not gonna take money out of your pocket. It's not going to hurt you if they make $1 million. Do not be shy to share the market. This is probably one of the only things that you can share to help somebody that would also help you and return in the long run. It's not going to. Good morning, Remedy Spot. Thank you so much for coming in. Good to catch you live yesterday night. So it's share a lot. It doesn't hurt, right? It helps people. The more people you get involved in the market, the more people that you educate about the market, it helps you. Basically, you're helping them, helping yourself. If there's nobody in the market, it does absolutely nothing for you. If it's only in you in the market, you buy stock at $1. Guess what? That stock's gonna stay at $1 because nobody wants to buy it from you for $1.05. You have to buy to sell to buy. If there's nobody here to buy or to sell, it doesn't help anybody at all. And once again, they don't have to do what you do. They don't have to trade how you trade. They could be doing options, they could be doing forex, they could be doing something. But the goal is to get people knowledgeable about the market so that they can have an understanding of the market and get involved, create that volume that we're constantly looking for in the market. So if you guys are able to hit that share button, I greatly appreciate. See you week. Are you gonna crack that dollar mark? So thank you all those who've been sharing the live. Esper Wife, Remedy Ma 11. All you guys that shared the live, I greatly appreciate it. Remedy Spa, thank you so much for the daily heart me and the populars. I greatly appreciate it. As always, I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. Oh my gosh, I missed all these things. Thank you for the heart puff. Pretty, thank you for the rose. Taz, thank you for the rose. This cardboard here. How do I move it? Letty, thank you for the rose. I hope in return you guys are able to remain profitable. I did not see those come in, guys. I gotta figure out how to move this thing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go through the list for today. And see what exactly we're gonna do. TK, how many stocks I have? I never tell anybody how many stocks I have or where I buy at. We do not pocket check in here. How much money anybody makes doesn't change anybody else's life. I don't execute on the screen, but I will tell you guys, hey, I'm getting into a stock or I'm in a stock and I want it to move in this particular way. If I make $1 million, it does absolutely nothing for you guys but hype you up. So the goal is for you to actually learn and earn and make real money. So we don't, how many shares somebody buys or what, how much money they make, it doesn't matter. In here you can make $1. We're gonna celebrate you just as much as you make $1 million. Hopefully that helps you though. But currently right now I'm not in anything, so just say 0. What are we looking at? Cindy, thank you so much for sharing the live. I greatly appreciate it. Good morning, Val. Thank you so much for coming in. So right now, what are we looking at? SAFX. SAFX plans to invest $1 million into renewable fuel production by 2028. By creating production facilities, right? So that's why they got their nice pop. They've been holding volume and moving properly all morning. CGTX met with FDA about their phase 2 for Alzheimer's disease. Basically, they're gonna have a daily pill to help Alzheimer's and dementia patients. They had a human trial study at 153 patients. They did a double placebo, using the double placebo effect, essentially, right? My only concern about that, which I expressed already earlier, is I wasn't able to find the actual results of the trial. But needless to say, they got a trial phase 2. They met with FDA, and assumingly it's doing good. We're just going to be hypothetical with this one, right? I'm changing, I guess, the bottom screen now. I'm not going to change the bottom screen. I'm going to change the top screen. We're going to leave the GTX at the bottom. I'm going to change the top screen, right? BTCM, I like BTCM. They're going into blockchain processing. The blockchain that they're trying to use is Solana, which does 65,000 transactions per second. So that's why they got their pop there this morning. Definitely one that I'll be looking at. STKH signed a binding deal. 1 second. Time is running. Pam, good morning. Thank you for coming in. Thank you so much for using your stickers and rocking with me and being in the fam and subscribing. If anybody's interested, you can hit, I think it's at the top too, the little gold star. If you want to subscribe, it give you access to some content stickers and things of that sort. So I appreciate that. STKH signed a binding investment and a loan agreement to acquire Twin Solutions. Twin Solutions is another company that does what do they do? I think they color like yarn and stuff like that. GBIO, nothing too serious. I didn't find any real news in it, but a few weeks ago announced like a AI powered, is it an AI powered monetization platform or program, something like that. AIRI. What is AI? AIRI is a air industry. They secured $5.4 million contract for landing gear for the components of the U.S. Air Force. So pretty solid news with that one. But it just got a pop, and then it kind of gave half of it back so far. So we want to see what it's going to do when the market actually opens. But pretty solid news with that one. Like that news there. MP is they got a contract with the Pentagon for a rare earth mining something. For a rare earth magnet. Let me not say something. For a rare earth magnet. So that's what they got the contract with the Pentagon. It's supposed to be a multi-billion-dollar contract. And I believe like they start in 2028, if I'm not mistaken. NCNA been trying to wake up since yesterday and today. It actually got all the way up to I think 12 or 13 cents yesterday. So let's see if it's gonna go for it again. NCNA was just there for our friends that that's been in it. Those that are in it, we won't say anything. KLTO, we played KLTO before. KLTO came out with some news about them trying to rejuvenate or help the lifespan of your organs like liver and things of that sort in a detox method almost. But they got news that they received an FDA orphan drug designation for potential ALS patients or candidates, we should say. So that's why KLTO got their pop, but they are lacking some volume, but they are trying to hold through pre-market. So we'll see what it's going to do throughout the day. CPOC. I know chat might be chatting and I'm not answering. My apologies, guys. I'm trying to get through this. I can run and get some coffee. CPOC. You're investing. CPOC got a private placement that raised $30 million. Nothing too crazy there. DALN, they're going to be acquired by Hearst for I think at the $14 mark, if I'm not mistaken. So that's why they got the quick pop right around the $13-14 mark, and they just kind of been hanging around here. I don't see them going much further past that, honestly. PROK, we played PROK a few days ago. PROK is trying to hold on. PROK is lacking volume. So we want to see when the market open, what is PROK going to do? That is why I'm looking at PROK. It's just one of our previous winners. Yeah, I know I like to look at them and see what exactly they're going to do. Who else we got on here? I still got Jacob on here as a previous winner to see what is Jacob going to do when the market open. Jacob It's still lacking volume. It's downtrending. VOR is lacking volume. Honestly, that's probably the best 4 or 5 minutes VOR had all morning. GAME, same thing. Looking at it to see what exactly it's going to do. MBIO, looking at it, seeing if it's going to pick up anything when the market open. SUGP, also looking at it to see what exactly it's going to do. SUGP was our little friend from yesterday. So market opens in 7 minutes, y'all. 7 minutes. We gonna be rocking. We gonna be rolling. Pam, thank you so much for the daily heart me and the popular. I appreciate it. I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. Annie, thank you so much for the roses. I greatly appreciate it. As always, I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. All right. Girl, gotta get some coffee. I feel like I'm wired up already, but still need a little coffee. Um, okay. Out here. All right, cool. Hey, good morning, John. All right, guys, I'm gonna run to grab some coffee real quick. If you guys can, while I'm gone, feel free to take this time to share the live. I'm not talking your ears off. I'm trying to run through the screen to show you anything. Right now, the main things that we're looking at is FASX and CGX. Just give me a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some coffee real quick and be back before the market opens. Right. All right, guys, market opens up in about 30 seconds. Let's get rocking and rolling. Good morning. Let's see what the good Thursday is going to bring forth for us. Your green is CGTX. Let's go. The turn. Hey, Christina. Good morning. I hope you're doing good. Let's go. We're good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning, highly favored. Right now, I trade basic stocks. I trade between support and resistance. Right now, you're looking at SAFX and CGTX. Ooh, CGTX, you came down quick. That did that quick bounce in that 93, and you popping up. Highly favored. Feel free to stick around and see what we do. And see if you like the vibes, and hopefully hang around. Welcome in. Ooh, CGTX just bounced a little too early for me. Why you ain't wait a few minutes? You're welcome. SUGP. SUGP, are you awake? It's up, it's still it's up. Hey, let's see if volume comes into it. But it's trying to hold itself together. They're trying to wake up. You see, VOR, they're trying to wake up. Our previous day ones, they're sleepers. They're trying to wake up. We got to give them a few minutes. See what they're gonna do. Okay, SCGP, you really want to wake up? Let's see if VOR does that thing she does. I put VOR on my top screen here and see if she does that thing that she does on this side here. Jeez, where's my thing? Let's see if she does it, Johnny. Let's be very observant with VOR. That one. All right, Johnny, she's seasick. Um, uh, um, he's not worried. Good morning, good morning. Thank you all for joining BCTM. Hang one second. Trying to see what these things is gonna do real quick. Hang one, gosh, Jesus, hold on. Coffee cup right here does not help the girl. Give me one second, guys. I'm trying to rock with SAFX, whatever it is. SAFX. SAFX. But you do your thing. Supposed to give me a green can. What did you? What somebody said? BTMC, BTCM. I mean, yeah, I go down. FX. GTF there. BOR is really sick over there. SCGP is trying to hold on. Yeah, all right, baby, you did it back. I acting like it's Friday. The backstory on POP, EPOP. Give me 1 second. Fox is acting like it's Friday, guys. CGTX, I like the 85 cents bus stop. I think I told you guys that since this morning, so I want to see if it'll come down there. We're right around 89 cents. SAFX, honestly, SAFX, I was trying to get in around the 290s. It did crack it a little bit. So I'll probably get in at the re-break of the 290s for it, if I can get it to hold right around there. But it's like, that's why I say SAFX, I might get in it real soon. But as soon as I get in, I'll let you guys know. What did you ask me? You asked me COP, COP, CPOP. I'm not doing it. Give me 1 second. Ooh, SAFX. Gotta hurry up. Hold on, let me set this up. And I'll read that. All right, so FSX picked me up at 290, guys. So I'm gonna let it rock and let it do its thing. What is it? CPOP. Somebody. Yo, FSX, come on now. SAFX, come on now. FX, come on now. CPOP. What's the deal with CPOP? I don't remember. Oh, they had a private placement raise. That raised $30 million. Let me go to buy. Focus on my. That's basically it. I don't remember who asked. I'm sorry. I'm being rude. Okay. 85. I mean, 85 takes me out. Yeah, I'm in. Come on. No, 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 no. No, 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 you dirty dog. SAFX 85 just took me out. I have to clap back on SAFX. Hey, good morning, Robert. So I got in on FSX 290, 85 took me out. So your girl is currently red right now. No big deal. We're gonna clap back on. I'm not gonna say we're gonna clap back. But you know I'm gonna try to go get my money back because I don't want to close on the red. I think it's really trying to break this 290 area right here. That's why I kind of got in and wanted to see what it was gonna do and watch it go and run right here. Right after it took me out. Oh, these damn stocks. Donnie, wow. It be you. It be you. And it works out perfectly, right? As soon as I get kicked out, like it bounces. How many times you guys see that? It bounces and then it does its thing. Oh, you dirty dog. Hold on. The girl might jump back in on SAFX. You owe me money. You say, jump back in would be like this. Can you crack that much right now? Team Green. I'm right there with you, Usher, on that bad start. Over here trying to get it back. I'm happy y'all using me as y'all stop loss. Good to know. I love the transparency, guys. I love the transparency in here. Thank you. I'm keeping it honest. There's no judgment in here. I'm trying to see if this thing, how far this thing's gonna go back. I'm also looking at I'm also looking at CGTX. To see what CGTX is gonna do. Good morning, guys. Thank you for coming in, guys. My name is Jenny. I go by the Financial Doctor. Ooh, CGTX. I am a stop loss. Excuse me. Good to know. I am a virtual stop loss, y'all. Doctor stop loss. That's messed up, guys. My stop loss is y'all bust stuff. All right, cool. I rock with it. I'll let you guys have it. Thank you so much for sharing the live. I appreciate it. Um, he said, he said, I feel like it just has a little bit more I've been telling you guys this 85 cents area is the area that I've been looking at to kind of get in on it with this one here. He said, oh yeah, you guys understand that it has room to fall. That's dangerous. I'm happy you guys are understanding me and understand exactly how I speak. That room to fall is what takes you out. Listen, I'm always looking for room to fall. Room to fall. Good job. You rock with me long enough, you understand. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Numerous times the room to fall. Yeah. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm in on C. What is it? Our 85 cents friend. Somebody. CGTX. Sorry, guys. Let's see CGTX gonna make me some of that money I just lost back, and give me a little bit more. So I want to see if CGTX gonna reach its top resistance of the 93, and then I'm gonna move with it. So I'm trying to move with this stock to see if it'll make me a little something back on CGTX. Yeah, I tell you guys, if you learn how to protect your account, you'll grow your account so much faster than just trying to grow. So a lot of times I'm looking at if I get in and I slip from this entry here, what happened? How bad can it get? So I'm always looking to protect my account versus growing it. Don't get me wrong, I grow the account. My account has grew drastically, right? Um, my funds have grown drastically, but my goal is always protecting my account. Oh, no, he said, if SAFX comes down a little lower, I will rock with F. Oh my gosh, CGTX, don't you play with me. NCNA, yeah, it's on the list, but not for me though. NCNA is on the list for somebody else. NCNA is on the list for somebody else. Come on, baby, get back up there. Yeah, I'm not too much attention to NCNA if I'm being honest. It was just there, for some of our grandkids. Let's go. Come on. You got it, CGTX. You got it, CGTX. You got it. Come on. I need to get a side table because this coffee cup on my desk is not. This is gosh, come on, CGTX. Right under 84. Come on, friend. You're fighting. You're fighting, friend. Fight back. Fight back. They're about to turn red. Fight back. Ah, it took me out of 78. 78 was my price point for it. The girl ain't doing it today. 78 was my price point. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, buying that 78. Johnny, thought you were my friend. 0 for 2 today, guys. 0 for 2 today. I feel like it's Friday. I want to clap back so bad. I want to clap back so bad. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for coming in. 0 for 2 today, man. Make me feel better, guys. Hit that share button. Two. I don't think y'all seen 0 for 2. I don't think you guys ever seen 0 for 2. I seen like lose one. 4 months. What? 4 months. First time 0 for 2. Gotta get something back. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you guys so much for coming in. Christina, you love that average cost lowering. You love it. Thank you guys so much for coming in and rocking with your girl. For those that's new, my name is Jenny. I go by the Financial Doctor. I'm generally here every morning, 8:30 Eastern, guys. Join us every morning, 8:30 Eastern. We're creating a space where we have conversation. We talk about stocks, investing, budgeting, all things of that sort. So come in and enjoy the fun while you can make money with us. I appreciate you guys coming in and rocking with your girl. Thank you so much for coming in. All those that's interested in trading and stocks and things of that sort, being mindful. I do have an e-course available, guys, for you guys. I do have an e-course that you can take. If you go in my bio, you'll see a section that says e-course. Just tap there. I'll take you directly to my page. It has an e-course platform that you can complete the course there. And just be mindful that once you get into the course, you are able to, it joins you into our community space also. I gotta fix something here, guys. Hold on 1 second. The girl is 0 for 2 today. What a day. What a pre-Thursday. But ended up losing more. If I find something solid, then I'll recover. If not, I'll take the hit. But if I find something solid, then I'll recover. And it might be one of these two plays that I just played, right? So something solid, it might honestly, when I get hit, I try to clap back on the same stock that I got hit on. And you guys see me do it a few times. I just gotta let it settle and let's see what it's gonna do. Um, would I be able to clap back on both? I don't know, but probably one of them at least. Let's see what it's gonna do. It's not even 10 o'clock, right? It's not even 10 o'clock, so I got time. I'd be scared with the clapbacks. I got time. Let's see, I got hit twice already, y'all. I think this is my first like two-time hit. I gotta pop myself. I ain't think this one through, guys. What's going on? Knock me off the ledge, somebody. Y'all okay? PROK. PROK is chucking. I don't think that's my type back yet. It's chucking now. CGTX. Get you in a second. Get myself up here. Subscribe to my own course. That's exactly why I know I had to pop myself with the course. ACTI. I haven't looked at ACTI in a few days, Christine. I'm gonna look at it today. Remind me. Give me a few seconds. I'm trying to fix something on my top screen here. And then shift my focus back to these. If I could get a quick clap back. The HCTI is like a Hail Mary play. A fun thing to do here. GA and me is warming itself up here. right. GIBO, let's go. Where was GIBO? They had light news this morning. Yeah, some. I don't remember what it was. Oh, they announced the AI thing, right? Yeah, they actually have a pretty good setup right now. Good job, Jeremy. I think it was Jeremy. Yeah, good job, Jeremy. Don't let's go SAFX me now. There the dog. Yeah, SAFX. POLF. I got him. Waking up, yeah. It's up, I should say. It's up now. Jacob is awake. Yeah, looking at SAFX. Jacob, where's the lines? Help to self. Get a side table. Um, these are old lines for Jacob. These are old lines, guys. Okay, old lines. These are old lines. What's our old lines usually? White, I think. Old lines. SAFX 667 has to hold above 667 for you to see that 690 touch again. 667 is that midpoint between these two lines for you right here. Um, CGTX, I think it's still got a pop in it. The girl low key want to play it back at the 78 line. Trying to jump back in CGTX, y'all. I'm not telling you, John. I scream like it doesn't. Not secret, John. Like, they're just trying to take me down. Trying to take me down. I'm about to jump in CGTX. I didn't tell you my stop losses are not in yet. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna come right under this 78. 78. If it's gonna crack it, probably should get in. Your girl probably shouldn't move. I'm over here being antsy with it because I already lost. It took me out at 78 already, right? What am I thinking? Get in right around the 78, 79 cents line. My stop will probably be right around the 73 cents mark for it. Wait for me. All right. Let's hold hand, guys. We hold the hands virtually. We hope CGTX is gonna do what it's supposed to do for your girl, right? He's gonna clap back at FAXS. What is it doing? CGTX, don't you embarrass me. SAFX, you have to come all the way down. But I'm trying to not let CGTX embarrass me. Come on, friend. Above 81. Hold that. Let's get to 85 now. You embarrass me. There I go, barely. Barely anything right here. Remember, I took 2 hits already, Johnny. 2 hits already. But I'm not mad at you, CGTX. You're doing great. I believe in you. I think you're gonna keep doing your thing. I'm trusting you. Come on, hold that 81 for your girl. Hold that 81 for your girl. I want it all back. It's moving slowly. I'm okay with it. AIRI trying to get itself back up. AIRI's got a nice little setup going on the side screen here. Um, SAFX. Come on, CGTX. SAFX. Mm, I don't know if I'm gonna clap back on SAFX. A dangerous clapback on SAFX is a crack of 67 for a run up. A break of not crack. I'm sorry, a break of 67 for a quick run up. CGTX friend, I'm waiting for you at the top. Um, Speaking on me now. SAFX having a hard time breaking that 67 price that 267 price point. AIRI is trying to build itself back up. That's a nice setup right now. Do reverse psychology. Do reverse psychology on CGTX. I guess right here at its cusp of where it's supposed to go. Damn, AIRE don't pick up area. Yes. PGTX is set up 73 to take me completely out, but of course you guys know I'm looking to get above the 85 cents line with it at least. AIRE, I like AIRE. AIRE is kind of doing live. Morning. That $4 price point is a strong support area for AIRE. $4 is a high 390 is a strong, pretty solid support area for AIRE. Hmm. Uh, I'm not in AIRE, but I am looking at AIRE pretty strong. I'm trying to mark it up here. I'll put it on. Let's go, CGTX. If AIRE is able to break that 416, 459, you'll see good volume coming. Yeah, be a thing. No one should. Pick up AIRE, around AIRE, $4 is good. As long as it doesn't like that $4 line, right here, when you get above 460, it's a decent solid support right here. After 3D AIRE, will probably have a good 370. Right here, you wanted to bounce right at the $4 high for 390. 416, above 416, we'll see volume in it. GTX friend, we picked so lonely here. I'm not talking to you. I and you did that big. After this right here has room to fall. Big room to eating us up and chewing us up and spitting us out. The GTX is still chilling here. I feel like CGTX is really, really testing my patience. PVE strong, strong top. What is it going on? Is what? Put it in a veil. Thank you. Trying to see what exactly is going on. Praise is what I. ABVE, baby. What's going on? ABVE. It's moving though. You're getting on your nerves. Patience is being tested today. Probably gonna take me out, honestly. Oh, SAFX got above 267. That's where it needs to be. Above 267. There you go, SAFX. above 267 SAFX. I was trying to. ABVE should be as background. ABVE beast around here is doing this thing. Straight up trend coming up here. How far are you gonna go? ABVE's 52-week high is $2.92. I think it has support right around right under the dollar mark. Trying to break $1.50 here. SAFX cracked 267 there. GCTX. I don't even know what you're doing, friend. Sorry. The girl is completely out. ABVE doing his thing. ABVE, I don't even know why you doing your thing so well, but ABVE is halted here for 29. Gonna pull back? Are you gonna let anybody join the party? I don't know if I want to join any party now, but yeah, it took me out already. That's why I said I'm completely out. That's why I said I'm definitely feels like a Friday. Maybe tomorrow be Thursday. Coming here tomorrow and be like, Friday, you owe me money. Give it all back. Graveyard. Love you more than part one. I just like to rip the band-aid and be done though. I want my money. What's that commercial? There's a commercial the people used to be like, "It's my money and I need it now." JG Wentworth. There you go. TurboTax has it too. I think I heard from JG. ABVE is back. Uh, yeah, halted on the down end. It was a live fall. 20 seconds, if anything. I don't have any entry for anything right now. You got out right at the halt. Congratulations. Good job securing profit, Vale. Let's go. I don't have any entry for anything right now. I'm in timeout. But I like ABV. I think it has support around a dollar, right under a dollar mark. But I don't think I'm getting in anything. I'm in timeout. That's TKH, the one that had the loan agreement. Bank, yeah, loan to acquire that other. See, they held well all morning. Oh, damn, you ain't even let me. GA and me. Trying to wake up. ABVE should be coming back any moment. Our little friends from the day before trying to wake up, y'all. I should have waited for y'all so I could clap back. I placed myself on timeout. Trying to wake up. ABVE is back, y'all. ALTO, still liking some volume. Hey, Fish Bake, good morning. Yeah, GME is just getting pops. A pop here and there. Everybody get you an itch a stitch. Like Johnny said, these stocks chewed us up and spit us out today. Placing myself on timeout, guys. Start fresh Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was good for me. I mean, overall for the week, I'd still balance out green, right? But I did take 3 hits today. But I'm still green for the week. But of course, nobody wants to hit at all, right? I don't know if I throw the whole week yet, but I could throw today away. But it's the name of the game. We can't win every day, right? We're gonna win some days, we're gonna lose some days. We're supposed to protect so that you don't lose. Oh, no big deal. I took a hit. For me, I'm gonna say no big deal. I took a hit. I'm gonna place myself in timeout so I don't revenge trade. Basically, try to clap back at me. I'm gonna let it do its thing. ABV, a good mistake. Yeah, you playing ABVE over there. And this bottom was right before its last halt. Fish bait, I look for support bottom. All my bottoms had holes. I was drunk. And usually before 11 o'clock. After 11, I'm pretty done for me. I'll be up at 6. Like by 11 o'clock, I'm done. I'm done. Now I'm hungry. I'm gonna be hungry with no. I ain't make no money and I'm hungry. Yeah, angry bird. Not angry, guys. I'm just kidding. That combination. Have me a good, I don't know what for breakfast. I feel like I eat eggs like every other day. Probably eat like scrambled eggs or omelet times a week or something. You had breakfast when I ate you. Yeah, it's hard for me to have breakfast, especially when I'm like live. It's just me trading in my own office. I get up and go do what I want to do. But when I'm like live talking to you guys or whatever, I can't just be listening for 30 minutes. I'm over here trying to get something. I'll settle with just having coffee and then I eat breakfast when I get off of here. 6:30 in the morning is too early for me. A bagel or toast? Yeah, but I still need something with a bagel or toast, bagel and cream. And I could do bagel or toast. ASMR. I don't mind eating in front of you guys, but I gotta go make my food. We'll see. Maybe one day I'll be hungry enough. And I'm like, guys, I'm gonna go make breakfast. Just hanging around for like 15 minutes. I'll just take y'all in the kitchen with me. Yeah, I don't do white bread. I usually do wheat. Is that organic? Has like a guy on the back. You can cook. I enjoy cooking. I like to eat. Like me, oddly enough, sourdough is the best. I'm a very weird eater. I learned this supposed to be. ABVE is back and booming. Vale, you winning. Give us another hope. Give Vale another hope. Potato bread. You mean like potato bread, the one they sell at the market? Like a home. I want to make bread at home. There's a bread machine. You guys ever? Anybody has the bread machine? I seen it. I want to get it. Master how. I want at the market. Yeah, the potato bread at the market. It hit. Now we over here talking about bread. God, bread and what we like to eat. We had a potato bread on a good burger. The Hawaiian rolls. Do you guys heat up your Hawaiian rolls? Talk about that. Or do y'all just get out the bed? Talk about it. ABVE is halted while we're talking about Hawaiian rolls. So tell me, do y'all heat up your Hawaiian rolls? Yes, in the oven. Warm them up. Okay. Oven. Yep. Yep. You warm them things up. You put a little butter or honey butter on top of it. It hits different. I used to eat it out the bag too. Eat it out the bag too. But once you have it warm, you warm that thing up and you put a little butter and honey on top of it. It changes your life. Never have it out the bag. Oh, probably not. I still eat it out the bag, but I prefer the Wonder version. You're gonna short ABVE. Yeah, it's halted now, so you probably go get a nice ride down to the $1.15 mark probably. Garlic knots. No, it doesn't hit the fridge. Like, I don't put it in the fridge or anything, but still out the bag. Like, even from the, if it's on your counter, like when I'm gonna eat it, a lot of times I try to warm it up and put a little butter and stuff on it. It makes it so much. Like, I enjoy it so much better that way. Some Hawaiian rolls warmed up. Try it if you try them. I mean, out the bag is good too, but I feel like when it's warmed up, it's better. You're looking at a 1 minute time frame. I use one between anywhere between 1 minute and 15 minutes for the most part. uh-huh. Now y'all got me real hungry. All this food conversation, bread conversation that we're having here. That's TKH is holding, guys. The AME is trying to hold itself together here. 201 is trying to hold it down. What, looking at a 1 minute time frame? I love it. Where the dog want to. No, I don't do options. I don't do options, forex, futures, crypto, or anything of that sort. I just discuss, stuff that I do that I'm comfortable with. I don't think it would be appropriate for me to cover anything I don't do that I don't have anything forex or anything. That would have been unfair to share my unexpert judgment, I believe. But assumingly my trading style supports options very well, just hasn't tapped into like the options. Full stomach will also. ABVE is back. You have a good day, Fishbait. Thank you for coming in. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Let's go, ABVE. There you go, friend. Dale, you winning over there. ABV equal eating. SAFX can't hold above 267. Don't get nothing past that one. BIO ain't doing nothing. Then at three, let alone 350. GAME is holding above that $2 line, but it's lacking volume. Jacob ain't got nothing going on for her. VOR ain't got nothing going on for her or him. Whatever you decide, Jacob. Have a great day, John. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for coming in. BTCM. BTCM. It's not bad, but it's not great. Definitely a downtrend here. It'd have to get above at least 590. Decent. The profit. Let's go. Congratulations, Bill. Keep it going. Have a good day. Thank you for joining. KLTO lacking volume. DALN. I told you guys was gonna do nothing for real. That $14 price point. Got that, and it did just that. Kept going straight across. FASX got to get above 267 for you guys to look. PROK was trying to wake itself up here. PROK, but actually. Cross 535, PROK will see some great attention. PROK, but I'm gonna leave you right here. And then you got ABVE. Honestly. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at it now. And it break that 530 line. EVOK, I looked at it this morning. It was really dead during the market. I didn't go back to look at it. You got out. Did you make profit on ABVE? Please tell me you recovered something. I ain't recovered nothing. Um, EVOK, I mean, ABVE is halted on the down end. EVOK trying to gather itself here, but it's still spotty. I looked at it this morning. That's what it looked like. So I didn't think I didn't think it was gonna wake up much after the market opened, which it really didn't. Still spotty right here. Not too much going on. I would probably focus more on PROK if it's between the two of them. With PROK to see what that would do. And ABVE has volume to kind of follow ABV throughout the day. Like fish food. Yeah, my stream's on YouTube also. Yeah, PROK slowly trying to chunk itself up, so you guys can continue to look at that for the rest of the day. ABVE has a lot of attention now. SAFX, if it can't get above 267, it ain't nothing at all. There's my this right here. It has to get at least back to the 78 cents, but it has a hard time breaking 82 cents. Uh, so to even look at this 78 cents break at 82, see some real attention. To help this thing down right here. PROK still chugging here. Break that stuff, break that 30, 35. Donna, you got popped again? Fourth pop for today, I think. I placed myself on timeout. Donnie, you're not giving up. Donnie said he is relentless. PROK, I think, is definitely going to try to break this touch this 535 line at least. Donnie said he's going to squeeze all the juice out there. And give PROK a few minutes here. I want to see if it's going to touch 135 real quick. I think it's very close to touching 135 here. And your girl will be out to go eat. I don't know what. It flared to 135. I mean 535. Come on. Get Star right. Get somebody right in here for us. I'm rooting for you, Star. It flared 530. Yeah, good look. Good look here. Good look. Great look here. Come on. ABVE is back also. I got the victory. Mm. It literally touched fire, flared the fire, touched it, and came right back. Johnny, is it a cash account? Sometimes on the cash account they don't let you short. You're okay. Come on. Come on. There you go, Star. Get above that 35 for Star. Get above that 35. ABVE doing his thing. Have a great day, Esco wife. I'm about to head out too. I was just trying to see this thing touch 35 and see if it break. It touched it, but I think it has the opportunity to break it. You have to keep watching this. Hopefully, see you tomorrow. Yeah, ABVE is moving strong back and forth. The 150 bottom support probably like okay. Started green, gave it all. I started red. Y'all got hit today. Johnny said the market chewed us up and spit us out. So you hang up. you hang up. PROK, look for that break of 535. I think it definitely has it in. You guys can definitely keep looking at that one there. Go out and have breakfast, guys. I know a lot of us took a hit. I took a hit. Being open and honest, I took 3 hits today. So that's why I placed myself in timeout not to go trade. So definitely want to see what tomorrow brings. See what Friday, but we'll see. Tomorrow looks good. For the dibble and dabble in it too. I'll be here tomorrow morning. I hope you guys join me tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern time. Please bring a friend if you are able to love up on my page, love up on my videos, all the things that it actually did. I would greatly appreciate that. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:30. He'll be glued to your seat. 8:30 a.m. If you guys need anything, please let me know. Once again, guys, the e-course is out and available. If anybody's interested, available in my bio, just course, and it'll lead you to the e-course platform and page the e-course. If you guys need anything, let me know. Other than that, I encourage you to go out in this big, big world of ours. I encourage you to lead with grace. You'll be back tomorrow to try to get your money. Everybody want their money back. We definitely gonna try to get whatever we lost back or whatever they took from us back. But no big deal at the end of the day. As long as we're making more green than red days, it all balances out. Red days are expected. It just stings a little, right? Because we always want to be winning, but it's expected. It's a part of the game, guys. No big deal. We're gonna make it back in what we're supposed to do. As long as our greens outweighs our red, we're continuously winning. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8:30. Need a name for Friday. Somebody come up with a name for Friday. I don't know. But happy Thursday. Enjoy y'all day. Thank you so much. Gambling on a Holt on ABVE. You're in on ABVE. Johnny trying to hold me hostage. Funds Friday. We'll rock with that. Give me saying bye. Now I'm waiting on you. Let's do time does it get on hold? Let's see. Like 2 or 3 minutes. I gotta rock with you. Just got paid. Was that song? Start doing polls so y'all could pick y'all. Y'all could pick y'all daily name. Got winning Wednesday, thriving Thursday, money Monday, and a solid Friday. Somebody said fun Fridays, paid Fridays. Well, it should be coming back like that. Johnny, did you get filled? You're in. Oh, Johnny, move. Stop, guy. Move. Stop. 75 is gonna hold it down. Bottom line for this one, probably the yeah, the 35, the mid 30s, like we said before. 75 is what's holding it down. No, hold forever. Donnie, you about to hold it for your kids? PROK, 42 cents. PROK, 542. Let's go. Guys, I'm supposed to be gone. Look at me. Hiked up off of PROK. Trying to see if Johnny's going to break this 75 cents line. What am I doing? Who's going to tell me to get out of here? The least. You have to stay above 60 cents. Crack at 60 cents, 30, the mid 30s is a support area. 175 is his top line. But also with that PROK, you can ride PROK up. PROK is doing beautiful right here. It's just taking little baby steps. PROK is doing his thing, so you're good over there, Star. Yeah, Johnny, don't crack 60, ride to 75 and move with the stock is what I'll say. You wilding out over there for real. No stop loss. Jeez. Honey, I gotta go. There you go. Come on, give it to Johnny. He ain't got no stop loss. Please don't hurt Johnny. On break 75 real quick. Oh my gosh. Now I'm eager to see this thing break 75. You're okay doing the thing, Star. There you go. Get above 75. Johnny, move with it. Once it gets above 75, I would suggest you move with it. On above 75. That was a second touch of 75. As long as it don't crack 60. Oh, snap. Sam, thank you so much for the heart puffs. Somebody gave me a money gun. I'm so sorry. Oh, I missed all the stuff. Jeremy, thank you so much for the money gun. I don't even know if you're still here. I gotta move this thing so I can see it different. Um, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you guys in return are able to remain profitable. He ain't got no stop. I'm being hopeful. Like it's doing good. Move with it now. He ain't got no stop. Donnie said he just gonna let this thing wild out on this good Thursday. Donnie said YOLO. You either Usher. Oh my gosh. Yeah, over there YOLOing. PROK. Let's go. Yara K looks great, Star. Donnie, will come as you go, right? Yara K. Come on, get that 573. Crush that other line. Crush that other line. Look at me trying to leave. 10 minutes later, here I am. Star. Not to tell nobody's business or anything. There you go, above 75. Hold 75 now. You want to stay above 550 up there, Star. They over here wilding. ABVE probably mid 30s. Right now it's trying to break 75. You out of it? I hope you came out green, Usher. There you go, Johnny. Johnny, are you establishing the stop loss, sir? Go, go. Let's go. Amazing job, Usher. Good. I'm happy I stayed. I got to see you guys go green. Let's go. I'm happy I stayed. I got to see you guys go green. Good job, Usher. Johnny, I'm assuming you're looking for a $2 break, right? Yeah, Moon will do something. Make sure you come out with something, right? Don't place yourself in a point of risk. I think the mid 80s is right under there, 85, 83. Yeah, Star, you're doing good. As long as it holds like the 550s, mid 540s, you look great. I like it for you. 550s, mid 540s, you look great over there. Don't crack 35. You're solid. Look what y'all got me doing. What am I gonna have for breakfast? Time this thing gets on hold. Y'all keeping me hungry. Right there. 560, 570. So, no star. Like any Johnny gonna get $2 break and then real for real. Eric, thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the Freedom Family. I appreciate you. We are okay. Breaking that 560 mark. ABVE, friend, you supposed to be coming back now. There you go, Johnny. Johnny. Eve. Move up, Johnny. Johnny, you're winning for both of us now. You're winning for all of us that went red today. Move up, right? Let's get to the twos now. Move to the two section. Move to the twos, Johnny. Come on. Probably took you out if you move to the two. Johnny, please, please move. Win for us, Johnny, right? We're living through you. Get a stop loss. Johnny, your bus is passing by and we're all standing outside with a sign that says get a stop loss on the sidewalk. Everybody's telling you stop loss, Johnny, stop loss. Our sign says get a stop loss. Let's go. Thank you, Johnny. We appreciate it. We all standing on the sidelines. You are okay above 560. Let's go. You guys are both doing beautiful. You guys are both doing beautiful, Johnny. I don't know where your stop loss is at, but it probably took you out. Let's go, Usher. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, y'all making me happy while I'm hungry. I'm not winning, but y'all winning. Let's go, team. 190 took you out. You came out green, Johnny. Let's go. That was fun. Johnny over here giving us a heart attack. He talking about that was fun. Break that 573 for Star. Star, you on your way. Y'all, 11:30, I'm leaving, okay? 11:30, that's it. 11:30, it's a wrap. You heard? The D, thank you so much for the roses. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. They out here holding me hostage. Let's go, 573. Stars, you about to be up, Star. You about to be up. Am I sure I'm leaving? Yeah, yeah. 11:30, I'm leaving. Your girl got to eat and have something. I'm excited for you guys though. I get so committed to y'all. But I'm excited. I'm happy I stayed. I got to see a few guys come out with profit. You guys came out for a win, so that's a good. I just want to see Star Cross 573. Hopefully, Star Cross 570 before 11:30, and then your girl can run. See, Johnny, good thing you read them signs. Look at this thing. Star, here you go. Here you go, Star. Drop them stars for Star, y'all. Drop them stars for Star, y'all. Let's go. Let's go, Star. She counting dollars. Let's go, Star. Look at you, girl. Let's go. Above 580 is beautiful, honestly. If it could hold above 580, then could top off. Yeah, 580 it could top off. 580 will get some real attention. Above 580 it gets some real attention for the top off. But Star, make sure you have a stop loss. But 580, above 580, there we go. Has some real attention. Top off here. I should have a good day. Thank you so much for coming in. I'm right behind you. I only got 7 minutes left on my clock. I should have been gone 15 minutes after. Just want to hold that 570s line with this one here and see if it can hold 580 for it to. Let's see, you can top off. I said 11:30 is my last line. ABVE is halted on the down end. 580 rejected it. If it holds above 580, we'll see good attention to it. But 580 is a strong line for it to kind of hold above, just FYI. Johnny said I'm getting in at 580. Johnny, no, we're placing you on timeout. Minutes, guys. Five minutes for the one spring. But I'm not getting in anything else. I'm just those that's in, and that's all that I'm doing. I'm not price point. I'm comfortable with where I'm at and my loss with it. My gosh, the counselor is in. You rolling the dice. The D, thank you so much for the daily heart me. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you in return are able to remain profitable. You waiting on more? Let's go. I'm not doing no tea. I'm done. I'm done. This is OT right now. I'm still hungry and I'm still on red. Donnie, look at you being a bad influence out here. Come on, crack. Come on. Go through that ceiling again. You are okay? Yeah, above 80, above 80. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I only got what, 3 minutes left. I don't even have 4 minutes. Above 80. Chop, 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 chop. Come on. Hold that thing. Y'all over here mess with Johnny. I wrote for y'all though. Come on, hold that 80. Need you to hold 580, friend. Hold 580. Came out green. Let's go. All right, my little after hour risk takers. I feel like y'all my risky crew right now. Johnny, don't be just jumping in now. Make sure you guys are being calculated. Y'all filling games, but it's real money, guys. After hour crew. ABVE is back. Back again. Because I have less. Yeah, he playing jump rope.